Howdy guys, just got out the airplane from flying to bring my sister back. She's over there on the couch hanging out. Jamie's right here. She brought Takeoff with. Takeoff really wanted to go flying, so I'm gonna go take Takeoff for a quick little flight.
Here we are, just hanging out by the runway, trying to take video of Kevin and Colbert flying around. It's like, yeah. Oh, that's the extra. See how he's taxiing like that? It's because he can't see anything. That's the one that I went up in and did the aerobatics.
Oh, you did that one?
Yeah. I was sitting in the front. And we went.
You ready to get flying?
Yes.
Can you hear Daddy good? Is it too loud or not loud enough? Or is it just right?
It's just right.
Perfect. Alright, so the oil pressures are good, fuel pumps are on low.
That's good.
Yeah,
We don't want them too high.
Yeah, wave at Aunt Christy.
Where is she?
She's right over here.
Hi. Good.
Aurora Ground, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie out of Skyhaven with Echo, VFR departure to the northwest.
I believe that was November 771 Bravo Charlie calling Aurora Ground, runway 27, taxi via Alpha.
It was, sorry, I'll still be on the hangar. 27 via Alpha 1 Bravo Charlie. So we're going to taxi out here, baby, and we're going to do the run-up. And then
Fly.
we'll go fly. Daddy will do the takeoff, and then you can do some flying, and then Daddy will come back and do the landing. Does that sound good? All right, bud. You ready for takeoff?
Yes.
Daddy too. Tower Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is ready to go. 27 VFR departure northwest, local flight.
Tower 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, runway 27 clear for takeoff. Westbound departure is approved, wind 240 6.
Runway 27 clear for takeoff. West is approved. Thanks. 1 Bravo Charlie. La.
Go dogs.
Go dogs.
That means.
It's the football team that Daddy likes, the Georgia Bulldogs.
Oh.
Somebody on the radio recognized that. Go dogs. All right, bud. So here we go. This is the time that you just don't touch anything, okay? While we're taking off.
Okay.
You always do great. All right, throttle's coming up. Mixture's going rich. Your speed's alive. We got full throttle, bud. I know you like full throttle.
Tower, Seneca 375 November, ready to go, 27 altitude.
70, 80,
Seneca 75 November, Aurora Tower,
90.
also runway 27.
Holding short, 75 November.
rotate.
For tower formation Foxtrot now, current altimeter 2993.
Got the brakes. Here coming up.
Seneca 75 November, right turn out to the north is approved, runway 27 Alpha 2, clear for takeoff, wind 1808.
Hey, clear to go, and we'll make a right turn on departure.
Daddy, we're stalling.
No, buddy, we're not. We're doing good. That's cute that you know stalling. Is that from Brubby's flight computer game?
Yes.
Yeah. No, we're climbing at 1,500 feet per minute, bud.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, we're doing great. It's a little bit bumpy down low today,
Okay.
but we'll climb up and get to some smooth air, okay?
Okay.
771 Bravo Charlie, radar contact 5 miles west of the Aurora Airport, altitude check 3,400, altimeter 2993.
1 Bravo Charlie, thanks.
This is Mr. Sargent.
It is, howdy.
How's it going?
Pretty good, is this Maish?
Yep.
Howdy, just got the Youngin with me. He wanted to go flying around, so just trying to find some smooth air and let him fly.
Sounds great.
It's nice out. A little bumpy, huh, bud?
No, I cannot drink.
Well, here, we're gonna get smoother here in just a second. We're almost there.
My journal bounce up and down.
Yep. I think at 4,500 it's going to feel good. And if it doesn't, then we can just go back and land if you want.
Okay.
Do you want to go find the water park? Here, I'm going to fly the airplane, okay?
Let's go to Wisconsin.
That's just the autopilot coming off. Daddy's going to fly, and I'm going to show you where the water park is, okay?
That we're going to?
Well, the one that we used to go to, yeah.
We could still go there.
Well, it's closed right now because of coronavirus, but it'll be open soon.
Then we could go back there.
Yeah.
Now we figured out clouds were clear.
Yep, we got a spot where the clouds are not here, huh? And Daddy's gonna find you the water park.
Sky 700, contact the Page Tower 120.9er, good day.
Water park, so I'm gonna do one turn around the water park and then we'll go land, okay?
Or we could just let Otto do it.
You don't think Daddy can do it?
You can. There's the water park.
You see it, huh?
Yeah, it just doesn't have no cover on it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, daggum bumpy here.
Keeps on not being bumpy.
See it? See the water park?
Yeah, it's right there next to the
Yeah. Daddy's taken you to that water park before, buddy. Do you like that water park?
1744, Chicago approach, expect runway 22 left.
How cool is that?
I will let you know here, right now plan for either visual approach or Yankee, but it is on request.
And 771 Bravo Charlie's going to go back to Aurora. Thanks for looking out for us. We'll see you.
Take care, Kevin.
See ya.
How does he know your name?
Because I work with him.
Oh.
Aurora Tower, Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie is down by the water park in Yorkville, 3,500 with Echo, full stop.
Twin Cessna 771 Bravo Charlie, Aurora Tower, on the left base, runway 27, you're clear to land, wind variable at 3.
Left base 2727, clear to land, 1 Bravo Charlie, cap the wind, thanks. Alright, buddy. Pretty cool, huh? So you just gotta get used to turning. It's just kind of a different thing. And the last couple times we flew, it was nice and smooth.
But then it just gets bumpy and bumpier.
Yeah, but it's okay. The airplane can handle the bumps.
Yeah, just not too big of them.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to fly into like a thunderstorm, but
Oh, that would just break the airplane.
yeah. There's the airport we're gonna land at.
That's where our airplane lives.
Yep, that's where our airplane lives. I love you.
Love you too.
Aww. You're very sweet.
Next time I think we should paint our own plane.
I don't know,
because it
but
took them forever.
those guys did an amazing job.
They did, actually.
Yeah.
Unless if we want to get it painted again and you don't want to get paid money, you just go to the store and get paint. And then we could paint it, and then we could paint it whatever color we want. We just have to get that color.
Gears coming down, bud. Alright, so we got gas, undercarriage, textures.
Bravo
Props are all
Charlie 2,
set.
we are landed. Bravo Charlie 2, we are taxiing.
Here we go. So now we're on speed. I think that camera got a little hot during our flight because it's been sitting in the sun for so long that it died for a bit. So I don't know if that got captured anything. Just a quick flight with Koa Bear. Koa Bear, who was sleeping, he had to get up early this morning, so he was tired, but he said he wanted to go flying with Daddy, so we went flying with Daddy.
I made a good choice, but it was a sweaty choice at the same time.
Flying was a good choice and a sweaty choice at the same time. Yeah, I know you like flying, buddy. You and I have flown all over this country together. You like this airplane. There's Aunt Christy right there. Well, guys, if I even turn this into a video, I don't know. Koa Bear just wanted to go fly. I just got back from picking up my sister, so I took Takeoff up for a quick little flight. He hadn't got up since the airplane was painted, so he was really excited. He's been asking every day to go for a flight. So unfortunately, it's 86 degrees right now, and it's 2 p.m. So it's not only is it hot in here, but it's just really bumpy down low. We had to get all the way up to, I don't know, 5,000 just for it to smooth down a little bit. Anyway, thanks again for the support, and we'll talk to you soon. See you soon. Can you wave and say bye-bye?
0 miles.
And hook these up to the front wheel.
Yep.